Welcome! In front of me I have PolarVantageV, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to swipe down from the top of the screen, like this, to open the shortcut menu or quick panel. Here we can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of options, as you can see. Select the Do Not Disturb mode, and then tap on it to enable the mode. And as you can see, the icon changed the color and it says on underneath the icon. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And also you will see the moon icon on the main home screen. And to disable the mode, simply open the shortcut panel again, tap on the icon again. It's gonna turn off. You will see the off underneath the icon, and also it will disappear right here from the screen. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via settings. To do it, press the back button to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings, tap on general settings. Then scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and you can select the on to enable it, off to disable it, like this. And the last option in settings is on, and you have the time range. Basically, this allows you to set up a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode to turn on automatically and turn off automatically. So if you tap on this option, you can set the start time by swiping up and down. Like that, then tap the check mark, end time. And then tap the check mark. So now the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 9:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.